start addressing the trainees in a long term training program. The principal said, I welcome you all to the training program which I believe you will enjoy in course of time. I would like to inform you that this is the ninth such program which we are organizing for the benefit of the teachers of the technical institutions in South India. During the last 8 years, at least 100 trainees passed out of this organization and they all have expressed their satisfaction over the facilities available and the teaching here. As you all know, Madras has always been a place of education and enjoyment. The metropolitan is spread along the east coast of India and is the capital of Tamil Nadu. This state is considered as the temple state in view of the number of temples. The state is rich not only in temples but also in tourist centers which attract thousands and thousands of visitors every year, thus earning valuable foreign exchange for the country. The people here are very cooperative and hardworking. Of course, I agree that the communication is somewhat difficult for those who come from other states, and every effort is being taken to make you comfortable. As regards the facilities, I am very glad to inform that there is a hostel in which you will be accommodated and it is furnished to the extent required. You have a mess where you will be served with most delicious food. As I said, your comfort and interests are uppermost in our minds, and whenever you feel to offer any suggestions, you are most welcome, and my staff and myself would be glad to consider and implement your valuable suggestions. In addition to the above, to take care of your health, one visiting doctor is arranged who will attend to you twice a week and advise on the important aspects concerning your health. You will be surprised to know that there is a stadium in which you can play games to keep you physically fit. As regards your education, we have teaching members with considerably rich knowledge and experience who will be able to impart good education. With the recent addition of the latest machinery and equipment, you can be sure of practical knowledge in the latest developments. When it comes to theoretical knowledge, the large treasure of books available in the library will certainly cater to your requirements. Dear sirs, I would like to bring to your notice the following. I have been holding 200 shares of your company for the last 10 years. I have been receiving the annual statements of accounts as well as the dividend to the last 8 years, but I have not been receiving the above during the last 2 years for the reasons not known to me. There has been no change of my address, and as such, I do not see any reason for my not receiving the communications. I also invite your attention to the fact that I have not received the dividend for the last financial year despite the company declaring the same. I am surprised to find that there has been no reply from you on this account in spite of my repeated requests. I request you to please send the arrears of dividend immediately together with the financial statements for the last year. Thanking you, yours faithfully.